Once again, my dear students, ladies and gentlemen, बड़ा important concept of skill learning in the area of self-awareness हमने learn करना शुरू किया और हम ये learn कर रहे थे कि personal system self-awareness और self-management के context में मेरा और आपका और हम सबका जो पर्सनल सिस्टम है कि जिसके लिए बेसिकली ड्राइविंग फोर्स आपके और मेरे सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट की है. व्हाट इज द वर्थ ऑफ मी इन माय ओन आईज? व्हाट इज माय कॉन्सेप्ट अबाउट माई सेल्फ? So in other words, 4 सब कंपोनेंट्स या 4 कंपोनेंट्स कह लीजिए ऑफ दिस सिस्टम, ये 4 subsystems of this system, and the driving force behind this system कौन सी है? Self concept. Knowing the idea, the concept of myself, about me. और उसमें हमने ब्रीफली ये लर्न किया कि वो जो चीज हमें फ्यूचर के लिए अट्रैक्ट करती है वो हमारी जिंदगी के पर्सनल गोल्स हैं. वो बाजुकात आपके ऑफिस के भी गोल्स होते हैं, वर्क के भी गोल्स होते हैं, बाजुकात आपकी फैमिली के गोल्स हैं, लाइफ के गोल्स हैं, कैरियर के गोल्स हैं. बट ऑल दीज गोल्स दे आर दोज ऑब्जेक्ट्स और इवेंट्स विच आर इन फ्यूचर, एंड फॉर दीज इवेंट्स एंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स वी स्ट्राइव सो वी कैन मीट एंड टू फुलफिल आवर नीड्स. चाहे मैंने कहा ना कि वो ऑफिस के गोल्स हो या वो आपके लाइफ के गोल्स हो, और इन गोल्स को अचीव करने के लिए, एक्वायर करने के लिए, सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए वी नीड सर्टेन कॉम्पिटेंसीज, एंड दीज कॉम्पिटेंसीज आर द इंटररिलेटेड एरियाज ऑफ नॉलेज, एबिलिटी, एटीट्यूड एंड स्किल्स. यानी नॉलेज, एबिलिटी, एटीट्यूड और स्किल मिलकर आपकी कॉम्पिटेंसी डेवलप होगी, which will increase your individual effectiveness when you're dealing in the world. इसलिए कि ये जो मेरा और आपका पर्सनल सिस्टम है, इसे तो दुनिया का मुकाबला करना है. This is the system we carry along when we walk out of the house, when we move into the office, when we are walking on the streets of the market, when we are alone, when we are in the company of the friends and the foes, when we are in the company of those whom we like and those whom we don't like. These are the competencies which gives us strength to deal with the complexities of the world. And these are the competencies which needs to be developed with the passage of time. Remember I said, ठीक है, I did my PhD in 1978 from one of the leading university. But that's not good enough, my dear students. Technology has changed. Media has changed. Medium of instruction has changed. Instructional technology has changed. And the students, like you, Generation Y, has changed. Don't I have to change? हमने कहा था ना, डेवलपिंग सेल्फ अवेयरनेस के 4 कंपोनेंट्स थे और उनमें एक कंपोनेंट कौन सा था? चेंज, एटीट्यूड फॉर चेंज. तीसरा कंपोनेंट इस पर्सनल सिस्टम का बिलीफ्स. बिलीफ्स आर दोज आइडियाज पीपल हैव, यू हैव, आई हैव अबाउट द वर्ल्ड एंड हाउ इट विल ऑपरेट इन द वर्ल्ड. दिस इज हाउ यू थिंक इट विल वर्क आउट. आई मे नॉट थिंक लाइक इट. एंड व्हेन यू कम अक्रॉस a person, maybe your brother or sister, maybe your friend, maybe your boss, maybe your colleague, who does not think the way you think, think of it. The belief system is different. मैं एक छोटी सी मिसाल देता हूं टाइम के हवाले से. इसमें कोई राइट और रॉन्ग की बात नहीं मैं कर रहा. जनरली एशिया में, पाकिस्तान इज ऑल्सो इन एशिया, मिडल ईस्ट में, you go in Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Middle East, Dubai, Qatar, हम लोग मीटिंग्स जनरली अपनी वक्त पर स्टार्ट नहीं करते. 2 मिनट, 5 मिनट, 10 मिनट, 15 मिनट लेट से स्टार्ट होना बॉस का लेट आना, ऑफिसर का लेट आना, मेरा आपका लेट आना, कोई बात नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम. बिलीफ है हमारा कि यहां तो 2-4-5 मिनट आगे पीछे होना कोई मसला ही नहीं है. ट्रेन लेट होती हैं, जहाज लेट होते हैं, खाना लेट हो जाता है, शादियां लेट हो जाती हैं, राइट? सो यू डेवलप अ बिलीफ. You think this is how things are operated, people are operating in the world. And which is the word? In Asia. Which is the word? In Middle East. You have to make sure, which word are we talking? But if you go to United States, for example, if you go to North America, you better be on time. 8 o'clock means 8 o'clock. It does not mean 8:03. No. 8 बजे मीटिंग स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. Everybody, may it be CEO, may it be head of division, may be head of department, may be officers and executives, everybody will be present. And you know, you are paid per hour, per minute, not per week or per month. Psychologically think about it. When you are paid per hour, it means these $10 you are paid for hour, these $20 which you are paid for hour are for 60 minutes. And if you are late for 3 minutes, nobody is going to pay that money. You better be on time. And people get mad. They get angry. You will have a warning sign. See the difference now? Because the belief there is time is money. If you're late, you're losing money. Either you are losing money or salary will be deducted. जो टाइम क्लॉक मशीन है ना, कार्ड पंच नहीं हुआ, एंड के ऊपर पता चला 35 मिनट्स पूरे महीने में, पूरे हफ्ते में लेट, सैलरी कार्ड लीजिए, $20 पर मंथ, $10 तो गए. Knowing the context is important. I'm not saying right or wrong, which context, but you have to develop the belief, because people have also developed this belief in the world in which they operate. Values. इस पर्सनल सिस्टम का चौथा कंपोनेंट कौन सा है? वैल्यूज. What are your values? It's your personal system. And the unifying force for all these 4 components will be your total self-worth. And believe me, when self-worth goes down, personal system gets weak. In the eyes of the market, in the eyes of the office, in the eyes of the customer, you lose your weight. You lose your repo. And once you lose your weight, your repo, it will come back as a negative feedback in the office. Performance is down. एक का दूसरे के साथ interrelated effect है. So what are values then? It means what is really important in your life, and it is basic to you as an individual. For example, you value to be honest with others. But maybe you will find in Pakistan, people don't want to be always honest with others. Now, you don't have to be angry. You don't have to be irritated. आपको अल्सर डेवलप करने की जरूरत नहीं है अगर आपको ऐसे लोगों के साथ मिलकर काम करना पड़ जाए जो आपकी नजर में ऑनेस्ट नहीं है. Honesty is a behavior. It's a value system. When people think they can get along without being honest, they start a behavior of being corrupt, being dishonest. Honesty के लिए कोई justification नहीं चाहिए. Dishonesty के लिए उनके पास justification होगी. तो आपको परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं. अगर honesty आपका value system है, you draw your strength from being honest. Please don't be dishonest, because otherwise you will get weak. ये आपका system है. But since you have to operate in the world, you will come across with people who are not 100% honest. Learn where they're working. Be more careful. Be more explicit. Ask them to write it down. Tell them what specs of the products will be. And be smart enough to know when you're dealing with someone who are not as honest as you are. Now, at the same time, being always honest means always honest. ये नहीं है कि मंडे को आप ऑनेस्ट हो और ट्यूसडे को थोड़ा ऑनेस्टी का लेवल कम भी हो जाए तो कोई बात नहीं. People do watch. Please keep an eye. Always standing on your own 2 feet and not burdening others with your problems. ऐसे लोग मिलेंगे आपको, मेरे साथ ये मसला हो गया, मुझे ये बता दीजिए, मेरा ये मुश्किल हो रही है, मुझे ये नहीं आ रहा है, मुझे वो नहीं आ रहा है. देखिए, हेल्प लेने में और हेल्प देने में कोई इशू नहीं है, लेकिन सवाल ये है कि क्या आप सिर्फ हेल्प लेने के लिए ही यहां आए हैं? हाँ, कभी हेल्प दीजिए, कभी हेल्प लीजिए. इट्स परफेक्टली ऑलराइट. बट प्लीज डोंट ब्रिंग योर प्रॉब्लम्स टू द ऑफिस. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूं कि कीप देम एट होम, बट फाइंड समवन एंड फाइंड सम टाइम with whom you can share your problems. So please don't try to be one who is not standing on his feet and who's not trying to solve, who's trying to pass on the burden of your problem over the others. Always facing up to the life's difficulties, not running away. Take the life eye to eye. Take the challenge. Be ready to take the challenge. Life is a challenge and life is an opportunity. Please do not run away. Running away from the market, running away from the challenges of the life will not solve the problem. आपका क्या ख्याल है, छांगा मांगा में जाने से प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएंगे? No. Then it means you are not socially aware. देखिए, सेल्फ अवेयरनेस हाफ कंपोनेंट है. आपको पता चला मैं वीक हूं, मेरी जिंदगी की ये मुश्किलात हैं, चलो जी मैं खामोश होकर कहीं कमरे के अंदर कहीं. छांगा मांगा का मतलब भी ये है कि you want to be isolated, away from the market, away from the world, away from the family, away from the friends. That's not how the human life has to be. इसलिए कि second component is the social awareness. Value means never deliberately hurting another's feelings. जैसा आप चाहते हैं कि आपकी फीलिंग्स को कोई हर्ट ना करे, आपको भी फिर दूसरों की फीलिंग्स को, एक वैल्यू है. लेकिन मुझे ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग मिलते हैं जिनका खाना ही नहीं हजम होता जब तक वो लोगों के एहसासात को, लोगों को ह्यूमिलिएट ना करें, उनको डिसरिस्पेक्ट ना करें. ऐसे मर्द हजरात नजर आएंगे जो खवातीन के ऊपर जुमला फेंकना अपना हक अव्वलीन समझेंगे. वैल्यू सिस्टम. ट्राई टू लर्न what is your value system and what is the value system of others, because knowing your values will give you strength, self-awareness, and knowing the value system of others. देखिए, if someone you feel has a habit of humiliating others, habit of disrespecting women, habit of showing a macho man behavior, मिलेंगे आपको लोग ऐसे. A country where generally people will show a macho behavior, a masculine behavior. Number one, now if this is your behavior, well, be ready. You will find another one of the same value system. There will be conflict. तो इस वक्त तो हम बात कर रहे हैं कि knowing what are your strengths and weaknesses. जैसे मैंने कहा ना कि if you don't want that somebody should hurt your feeling, please, number one, don't hurt the feeling of others. Always doing your best at an activity you try. Give the best. Whatever you know, do it in the best way possible. Leave the results to the God. Never going overboard about interests. दुनिया के काम कभी खत्म नहीं होंगे, मैं और आप खत्म हो जाएंगे. Well, that's a fact of the life. Let's know about it. Manage work and life activities, never allowing anyone to get ahead of you. Well, कुछ लोग ऐसे आपको मिलेंगे, कोई हमसे आगे ना निकल जाए, चाहे वो मोटरसाइकिल चला रहे हो, गाड़ी चला रहे हो, चाहे अपनी जान को भी रिस्क के अंदर डाल रहे हो. वही उनका हाल ऑफिस में होता है. अच्छा देखिए, हेल्थी कंपटीशन इज पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. no problem. But to make a value that I will not allow anyone to get ahead of me, and by hook and by crook, I'll make sure that I'm ahead of everybody. Well, but since we are learning values, there will be people like it. Some people will like it, some may not like it. Some may not feel importance of it. Never putting your faith in individuals, putting faith in the institutions. और बाज़ औक़ात ये नजर आता है कि putting faith in the institutions also, knowing the Pakistani context, may not help. If it helps, fine. Try to make the institution strong. But at the same time, institutions getting strong and the people are not getting strong is also not good. So maybe you'll find people putting their faith in God, that they will draw their strength by having more and more faith in God. Abhi God ko bhi humne define nahi kiya hai. We're trying to define God in whatever value system you have. We have Allah. Somebody else might have some other aspects of God. But what we are learning here is these are the examples of values where people will find and derive their strength upon. System, their personal system, will get stronger on the basis of these concepts. So self-concept and the self-worth would be, this is how you see, this is how you see your values, this is how you see your beliefs, this is how you see your competencies, and this is the list of the goals which you want to achieve in the life. People strive to maintain their concepts by engaging in those behaviors which is consistent with their goals, which is consistent with their competencies, which is consistent with their beliefs, and which is consistent with their values as they see them. Why? Because by engaging in those behaviors, they draw strength. By engaging in those behaviors and competencies, the system gets strong. And once my system is strong, when I walk in the office, the results of the project and the product I'll work upon will also be positive. कमजोर लोगों से कभी किले फतह नहीं हुआ करते. अगर आपको किसी वैली को सर करना है, किसी प्रोजेक्ट, खास तौर पे चैलेंज प्रोजेक्ट को, किसी नए प्रोडक्ट को लॉन्च करते हुए उसे सक्सेसफुल बनाना है, you need courage. You need to believe that you can do it. You have to have a value system and a self-worth that yes, it is possible. I'll make it possible. And things will be done. I've seen many times ordinary people bringing extraordinary results because they have their self-worth. अपनी नजरों में आप क्या हैं? अगर आपने अपनी नजरों में अपने आप को ही गिरा दिया तो बिलीफ भी खत्म हो गया. Rolling stone gathers no mass, my dear students. Maybe you are 100 kilo, but you are a rolling stone. You have no values you can stand upon. You have no competency to deliver to the world. You have no belief in yourself. Self-awareness हम learn कर रहे हैं. Having belief, striving then and enhancing this concept of you and me by learning and by developing themselves so that we can become and make ourselves an ideal self. Ideal दुनिया भी नहीं है, ideal world नहीं है, ideal self मुश्किल है, लेकिन कोशिश तो की जा सकती है. कोशिश कैसे होगी? This is how developing these management skills, that when we go to the market, when we deal with people, when the going gets tough and rough, I will hang on there. You know, when the sea is calm, any fool can drive the ship. But it really takes a smart person, smart captain, when the sea is rough, to drive the ship and go to the shores. Life challenge का नाम है. Learn कीजिए किस तरह से. अच्छा, challenge से मुराद ये भी नहीं है कि आप you break your back. No. All what we are learning here is knowing my worth and asking the world and the market out there, please You have to pay my worth if you want results from me. अच्छा, वर्थ के अंदर भी देखिएगा, टेंजिबल एंड इनटेंजिबल दोनों रिवॉर्ड्स हैं. खाली टेंजिबल रिवॉर्ड नहीं है. सैलरी का मतलब सिर्फ बेनिफिट और इंक्रीमेंट और डॉलर्स नहीं है. सैलरी का मतलब यह भी है आपकी रिस्पेक्ट. आपके ऑफिस में कोई है, आपकी बात को सुनता है, कोई आपके दिए हुए मशवरे पर अमल करता है, आपके मशवरे को कोई इंपॉर्टेंस दी जाती है, आपको कुछ ऑटोनॉमी है, एम्पावरमेंट है काम करने की. नोट कीजिए वो कंपनियां जो अपने मैनेजर्स को डेली हाफ एन आवर, 1 आवर बाय पॉलिसी डिमांड फ्रॉम देम, sit on your table, think about the company, think about the customers, and thinking also pays off. So personal system driven by your self-concept will make your system weak or strong. All right? Again, going back to the self-awareness areas, blending it with the personal system, knowing that we have to make ourselves emotionally intelligent, knowing what is important to me, what is valuable to me, and what are my personal standards and moral judgments. Please don't impose your moral judgments on others. This is yours. You may find people of so many types. 2 brothers and 2 sisters may have different moral judgments and personal standards. हम यहां ये skill learn कर रहे हैं कि people are different. And what are the differences? Differences in the standards of their values. Differences in their learning styles, how they will determine that information I will acquire and I will evaluate and I will act upon. Learning सिर्फ information की acquisition को नहीं कहते. Learning का मतलब तो ये है कि उस learning के जरिए से, उस learning के बाद, acquire करने के बाद आपकी performance बेहतर होनी चाहिए. फिर आपकी interpersonal needs क्या है, social needs क्या है, आपकी प्रेफरेंसेस क्या हैं, लोगों के साथ इंटरेक्ट करने के आपके पैटर्न क्या हैं. इसी से फिर पर्सनैलिटी स्टाइल्स निकलते हैं. और चौथा कंपोनेंट सेल्फ अवेयरनेस को लर्न करते हुए, नोइंग हाउ कैन आई बी एडेप्टेबल एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबल व्हेन चेंज इज ब्रॉट इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और इन माई लाइफ. मे बी देयर इज अ लाइफ चेंजिंग इवेंट, मे बी देयर आर स्ट्रक्चरल चेंजेस इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. हाउ आई डेवलप एन एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स चेंज. चेंज मैनेजमेंट इज पार्ट ऑफ द सेल्फ अवेयरनेस. एक तो वो चेंज मैनेजमेंट है ना जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आती है. अगर आपका एटीट्यूड उस चेंज मैनेजमेंट के लिए तैयार ही नहीं है तो फिर तो मुश्किल हो जाएगी. आप हमेशा अगर माजी में ही रहेंगे तो माजी में तो कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं होती. अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर ऑलवेज इन द फ्यूचर. सेल्फ अवेयरनेस और सोशल अवेयरनेस, इसीलिए इन दोनों को मिलाकर हम इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस. ये प्रोफेसर डैनियल गोलमैन की बहुत सारी किताबें हैं जिनको आप देखिएगा, पढ़िएगा, उनको लेसन लर्न कीजिएगा कि किस तरह से वो आईक्यू और ईक्यू की बुनियाद पर ये क्लेम करते हैं कि इस मार्केट के अंदर, इस वर्ल्ड के अंदर यू कैन बी ए सक्सेसफुल मैनेजर. So my dear students, let's get ready now. Let's try to measure each one of them. Self-awareness. What's important to you? What's important to me? And what are the different values and the different beliefs and the different personalities and the different learning styles and where I am? So we'll go through the exercise. We'll find out where I am. Am I happy with it? If not, what is the self-management plan to improve upon it? So as we're learning that values are basically your personal preferences. You don't have to impose on others. These are the basis for important life decisions. That is also very important. And they help to define your morality and ethics. And of course, you bring these values to the office. You bring these values to the market. जो आपका पर्सनल स्टैंडर्ड और मोरालिटी की जजमेंट होगी, आई एम श्योर वो प्रोडक्ट जो आपके हाथ से बनेगा, वो जो सर्विस आप डिलीवर करेंगे, उस पर इफेक्ट आएगा. I remember when I used to teach quality management courses, I used to mention this, कि जब वो आयरन और टोस्टर जापान से आया करते थे, the Japanese worker, while manufacturing those irons and toasters and putting those connections together, they were making sure कि हमारा ये प्रोडक्ट अगर किसी ऐसे मुल्क में जाए कि जहां हाई ह्यूमिडिटी का वेदर हो, तो शॉर्ट सर्किट नहीं होना चाहिए. The worker working on the assembly line is taught a kind of morality and ethics that he should deliver a product which should work safely in the hands of the consumer, even in those conditions which may be rough and humid for the electrical products. So in other words, these are personal standards. They can be taught. They can be altered. They can be changed. तो आप impose ना कीजिए. You draw your strength upon it. You draw your strength from it. But while you're working with other colleagues, if you think honesty is the best policy, number one, you implement that policy. Number two, put it on the table agenda, meeting agenda. Try to prove that you are giving an honest product to your consumer. Try to prove that you are an honest worker. Try to prove if this is your value. So many values, we will see the list of it. We will divide them into terminal values as well as instrumental values. But basically then, these values, which sometimes the managers desire, for example, a value, a sense of accomplishment. I feel happy when I accomplish this task, when I complete this project. As a student, sense of accomplishment, जब आपने एक assignment ड्यू टाइम में कंप्लीट करके सबमिट कर दी और उसमें अच्छा ग्रेड आया, एक तो ये ना कि ठीक है, एक टास्क है, कोर्स ले लिया है, उसमें कुछ ना कुछ फिल करके पूछ के सबमिट कर देना है, कोई बात नहीं, फेल भी तो होते हैं, हम फेल हो जाएंगे तो दोबारा ले. No, that's not sense of accomplishment. Accomplishment means positive growth. You move on higher in the ladder. This is a ladder of inference. You infer that I am taking the first step, then I go to the second, then I go to the third, then I go to the fourth. Remember, when you're going higher and higher and higher, and your inference is that you have to go to the top. As you go higher on the ladder, you are going against the gravity of the earth. Right? मुश्किल होगा ना, जैसे जैसे आप ऊपर चढ़ेंगे, चैलेंज लेना लाइफ में मुश्किल हो जाएगा. But that's a natural law. My dear student, that's how it will happen. पहले भी इसी तरह से होता आया है, आज भी ऐसे ही होगा, आइंदा भी ऐसे ही होगा. मुर्दा दिल का खाक जिएंगे. हिम्मत करने वालों के लिए रिजल्ट्स आते हैं और वो उस अकम्प्लिशमेंट की सेंस रखते हैं. और ये सेंस रखना कोई बड़ी बात तो नहीं है. हां, आप में से जो स्टूडेंट गांव में, छोटे शहरों में ये कोर्स ले रहे हैं, ये आपकी सेंस ऑफ अकम्प्लिशमेंट हो सकती है कि आफ्टर डूइंग दिस MBA, completing this program, I like to go and maybe work for a multinational company in Lahore, in Karachi, in Peshawar, in Islamabad. Why not in Dubai? Why not in Singapore? Sense of accomplishment. Well, that means you want to move higher in the ladder. Your value system is telling you that you are ready to take the challenge, higher challenge. Good enough. I've seen many Pakistani managers taking degrees from Pakistani universities, placed in the multinational companies, in Europe and North America and in Southeast Asia. It's achievable. So sense of accomplishment का मतलब ये है कि you are ready to achieve. This is your personal goal. If it's your personal goal, then you will develop that competency. अगर Chinese language learn करनी है, you will do that. अगर South America में जाना है, you will learn Spanish language. Sense of accomplishment means this is your desire, and please don't have a desire if you don't deserve. So to deserve, raise your self-concept. Raise your price in your own eyes. Raise your self-worth. मैं कहा करता हूं, जिनको मिलियंस ऑफ रुपीस की सैलरी मिलती है, क्या उनके 4 कान होते हैं, 6 आंखें होती हैं, 4 टांगे? No. They are ordinary people. But they are ready to learn and move on and go to the higher level of ladder. Because they infer that reaching up requires competency, courage, charisma, social management skills, interpersonal skills, communication skills, and they're ready to learn from their mistakes. ऐसी बात नहीं कि वो mistake नहीं करते. Yes, but they take mistake not as weakness, but as an opportunity to learn. तो क्या आपकी ये desire नहीं है? Don't you have this desire as your value? होनी चाहिए. My dear students, ladies and gentlemen, होनी चाहिए. You like to accomplish grade A in this course. Work accordingly. Do your homework. Go to the field. Have these instruments ready before you come to the class. देखिए ना, ये वर्ड के डॉक्यूमेंट तो सब आपको अवेलेबल हैं. Have them ready. ठीक है, मैं आपके साथ रिपीट करता हूं, लेकिन आपके पास जब वो डॉक्यूमेंट होगा, इंस्ट्रूमेंट होगा, immediately you will find, and when I'm explaining, you learn from me and you learn from your colleagues, students sitting right next to you. भाई आपका स्कोर यहां क्या आया, आपका वैल्यू सिस्टम क्या है, कहां से आप स्ट्रेंथ ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, आप किस कंपनी में काम करना चाह रहे हैं या कर रहे हैं. आप जरा मुझे बताइए, आपको ये सैलरी कैसे मिली? कुछ बता देंगे, कुछ नहीं बताएंगे. When I was in Karachi, I knew which university I want to go. I knew what it takes to go to that university. I knew which company I want to work for. For example, it was my decision, my desire that I like to work only for the university. May it be American, may it be Australian, may it be Middle Eastern, may it be Pakistani. Sense of accomplishment. You must have your own personal. अरे different होंगे, different होंगे, different होने चाहिए, लेकिन आपको पता तो हो कि मुझे जाना कहाँ है. अगर पता ही नहीं है कि कहाँ जाना है, तो take any road, it will take you anywhere. You will not accomplish anything. So my dear students, as a student of this course, developing this management skill, first skill in self-awareness under the value is, please be ready to accomplish something. Something which is worthwhile for you, something which is worthwhile for your family, something which is worthwhile for your company, something for which we can be proud of you being a Pakistani. Remember, मैंने आपको कुछ पाकिस्तानी लोगों की तस्वीर दिखाई थी. I think you take pride knowing those Pakistanis. Look at that little young girl, Pakistani girl, who at a very early age became Microsoft certified professional. A certificate, an accomplishment, क्योंकि accomplishment की बात कर रहे हैं ना, an accomplishment which no one in the world at the age of 8 can achieve. Here is the Pakistani girl who achieved at the age of 8. तो हो तो सकता है. If there is a will, you'll find a way. All right. दूसरी value कह लीजिए, which every manager should have, desire for self-respect. I must respect myself. I must respect what I do. इसलिए कि मैं अगर अपनी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करूंगा फिर दूसरों से कैसे मैं करवाऊंगा? This means what is my worth in my own eyes? This is very important. Number 3, a comfortable life. अच्छा, मैंने डिस्क्राइब नहीं किया what is comfortable life. Somebody is comfortable walking on the foot. Somebody is comfortable with a motorcycle. Somebody is comfortable with a Suzuki, Honda. Somebody is not even comfortable with a BMW or maybe an aeroplane. What is comfortable for you? You draw your strength from that value. And do not be carried over and carried away by somebody's BMW. दूसरे का मकान देखकर अपने छोटे घर को तो आग ना लगाइए ना. A comfortable life means physically comfortable, socially comfortable, intellectually comfortable, emotionally comfortable. Something which you have done gives you peace of mind. You can sleep. You can sleep at night, not with drugs, without drugs. Independence. मैंने कहा ना, Generation Y, they want independence. That's, they want work at home as well. कोई हर्ज नहीं. If this is your value, find a place, find a workplace, find an organization where you will have some degree of independence. You will find. All right, now we get ready. We give you a time off, taking the instrument, filling it out, bringing it back to the class, so you learn where you are. So in other words, take the instrument and get ready for skill assessment in terms of the values. What are your values? Different types of values, and where you are, and how do you draw, and from which value do you draw the strength? My dear students, the instrument is in front of you. Maybe you have completed it. If not, you do it in the class. So we discuss it, and you find the score where you are in terms of the values. What do you value? Scale is from 0 to 100. जो 16 statements यहाँ दी हुई हैं, 16 items लिखे हुए हैं, 16 items. For each item, you write down how much it is important to you from 0 to 100. For example, item number 1, an enjoyable and satisfying job. हमने job को define नहीं किया. An enjoyable and satisfying job for you. 0 से लेकर 100 तक आप कितने नंबर इसको देते हैं वो लिख दीजिए. Number 2, a high paying job. How much important it is for you. Number 3, a good marriage. आप में से जो married हो, or a good family, जो married अभी नहीं है. What is the importance of this good family or good marriage? Number 4, meeting new people in social events. Number 5, involvement in community activities. Number 6, my religion. हमने define नहीं किया कौन सा religion. My religion. How much important it is to you from 0 to 100. Number 7, exercising or playing sports. Jogging भी इसमें शामिल कर लीजिए. Exercising, jogging, playing games or sports. 0 to 100 कितना important है आपके लिए? Number 8, intellectual development. You go for training, you go for courses, you take some courses, intellectual development. Number 9, a career with challenging opportunities. A career with challenging opportunities. 0 to 100 कितने नंबर आप इसको देंगे? Number 10, बड़ी important value है, nice cars, nice clothes, nice house and so on. कितने नंबर देंगे आप इसे? Number 11, spending time with family. 0 to 100, how many marks you will give spending time with family? Number 12, having several close friends. Several close friends. 0 to 100, how much importance you will give to this value? Number 13, volunteer work for community organizations like ED Foundation or any other community type of volunteer type of organization. volunteer work for community organizations like the ED Foundation. 0 से 100 पर आपके नजदीक कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है ये? Number 14, meditation. Quiet time to think, praying, and other related activities like this. Meditation, कुछ लोग योगा को भी इसी में ले लेते हैं. Yoga is an activity which is included in meditation. Quiet time to think or praying. Number 15, a healthy and balanced diet. बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट वैल्यू है आजकल के ज़माने, फास्ट फूड के ज़माने में, और आजकल के ज़माने में कि जिसमें लोग क्वांटिटी ऑफ फूड पे बहुत तवज्जो देते हैं. ये पूछना कि क्वालिटी ऑफ फूड भी इंपॉर्टेंट है या नहीं, ये कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है? ए हेल्थी एंड बैलेंस्ड डाइट, हाउ मच इंपॉर्टेंट इट इज टू यू? हाउ मच वैल्यू डू यू गिव फ्रॉम 0 to 100? Number 16, educational reading, television, self-improvement programs, and so on. Educational reading, of course, those television programs which can add value into your career. Self-improvement programs, and so on. अच्छा, अब ये 16 आइटम हैं. इन तमाम 16 आइटम का जो स्कोर आपने दिया है, उस स्कोर को नीचे ट्रांसफर कीजिए. 8 वैल्यूज हैं जो नीचे लिखी हुई हैं. उन 8 वैल्यूज से रिलेटेड ये 16 आइटम्स हैं जो आपने आंसर दिए हैं. प्रोफेशनल वैल्यू, स्टेटमेंट नंबर 1 और 9 का स्कोर यहां पर लिखिए. फाइनेंशियल वैल्यूज, स्टेटमेंट नंबर 2 और 10 का स्कोर यहां लिखिए. फैमिली वैल्यूज, स्टेटमेंट नंबर 3 और 11 का स्कोर लिखिए. सोशल वैल्यूज, स्टेटमेंट नंबर 4 और 12 का जो स्कोर आपने ऊपर लिखा है, प्लीज ब्रिंग इट हियर एंड राइट डाउन हियर. कम्युनिटी वैल्यू, स्टेटमेंट नंबर 5 and 13. Spiritual value, statement number 6 and 14. Physical value, statement number 7 and 15. And intellectual value, statement number 8 and 16. Now, my dear students, these are 8 values you have scored yourself. आपने self awareness है ना? इससे पहले तो शायद आपको इसके बारे में अंदाजा ही नहीं था कि how much important do you give to this value. अब ये 8 वैल्यूज हैं और मेरा ख्याल है आप मुझे बताइए कि इन 8 में से कौन सी ऐसी वैल्यू है जो इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है? सभी इंपॉर्टेंट है. लेकिन अब आपका जो टोटल स्कोर है उस वैल्यू का, वो बताएगा कि आपके नजदीक वो कितनी होनी तो चाहिए इंपॉर्टेंट. मुझे कहने दीजिए कि क्या ये 8 वैल्यूज इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है? इंपॉर्टेंट है. बैलेंस्ड लाइफ. है कोई आप में से स्टूडेंट ऐसा जिसकी 8 वैल्यूज का स्कोर एक जैसा हो? मैं नहीं कह रहा हूं कि 100 आउट ऑफ 100 हो, नहीं, एक जैसा हो. से प्रोफेशनल वैल्यूज का स्कोर आया है 88, तो बाकी सबका भी 88 हो. ऐसा नहीं होगा. मेरे 30-40 साल के एक्सपीरियंस के अंदर आई हैव सीन हार्डली 1 or 2 participants, learning participants, students in a group of maybe 30 having 5 or 6 values of the same score. Not all 8. But having less than 5 and 6 of higher value, think about it. अच्छा, यहां से आपको एक फूड फॉर थॉट भी मिलेगा. सेल्फ अवेयरनेस है ना, फूड फॉर थॉट फॉर इंप्रूवमेंट. ओहो, ये फिजिकल वैल्यू पे तो मेरा स्कोर 50 आया. दैट्स नॉट गुड. तो व्हाट शुड आई डू? नाउ यू मेक द इंप्रूवमेंट प्लान. फिजिकल वैल्यू का स्कोर 50 आया है. Now 50 is not a good score. What should I do? Please go back and look at the statement number 7 and 15. What is statement number 15? Statement number 15 says a healthy and balanced diet. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि आपकी फूड हैबिट्स में हेल्थी और बैलेंस डाइट शामिल नहीं है. आप ही ने कहा है ना, मैंने तो नहीं कहा. नाराज ना होइएगा. This is a self-improvement plan. That's how you become aware of yourself. What are my weaknesses? What are my strengths? Those areas where you get score more than 90. Congratulations. Very good. Good performer. Between 80 to 90, above average. लेकिन मैंने कहा ना कि जहां आपका स्कोर 50 आ रहा है, say in the family value, your score is 50-55. Well, I'm sorry. Read what it says. Let me read with you. Statement number 3 says, a good marriage. That means you're not giving time at home. Your children are waiting. When you come late at night, chaliye koi baat nahi. When you come late at night, do you find time on weekends to take your family, spend some time with them? Do you go and see your parents? Do you call your family? आप ही ने कहा है ना कि आपका स्कोर लो है. आप ही ने, हाँ, if you want to say that family value is not important to you, well, then that is something different. Number 1, knowing where I am. Number 2, this is my value. Research तो ये कहती है कि you draw your strength from your value. अच्छा, अगर फैमिली वैल्यू या प्रोफेशनल वैल्यू या फैमिली वैल्यू में स्कोर आपका कम है, तो आप मुझे बताइए कि घर पे कैसे सुकून आएगा और दफ्तर में कैसे सुकून आएगा. अगर आप मैरिड हैं तो घर में बीवी से कन्फ्लिक्ट रहेगा. बच्चे सो जाते हैं जब आप घर लौटते हैं, आप में से जो सीनियर स्टूडेंट्स ये कोर्स ले रहे हैं, या पेरेंट्स को आप टाइम ही नहीं देते, इसलिए कि फैमिली से मुराद तो योर ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर. थिंक अबाउट इट. दूसरी स्टेटमेंट कौन सी थी फैमिली वैल्यू के अंदर? स्टेटमेंट नंबर 11. स्टेटमेंट नंबर 11 सेज spending time with family. Well, you're not spending time with family. इसी तरह से इंटेलेक्चुअल वैल्यूज की स्टेटमेंट नंबर 8 और 16 है. तो आपको जिस एरिया में कम स्कोर मिल रहा है वहां आपको इंप्रूवमेंट प्लान चाहिए. अनलेस यू वुड से नो, दिस वैल्यू इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट टू मी. बट प्लीज कीप इन माइंड, when we were talking about what are the management skills which are required in 21st century, I think all of these skills are important. Community skills. अब तो ये जो आप CSR के प्रोग्राम है, corporate social responsibility, what is that? Some community related activities. Find some time when you can spare some time for others. Remember, social management, to fulfill the desire of other, is also an indicator which gives you strength. Self-awareness means knowing what is my self-worth. How do I draw the strength from these values? And speaking of these values, then, we come to a point then, we will try to learn that why developing this skill is important. In other words, we will learn that if these values are important, and we know what are these values, but now we want to learn, time is there, time is on, why this skill is important. And if this skill is important, and I'm sure knowing all these values, now you will know these are important. You will come up with the answer, and I will share with you what are the terminal values and what are the instrumental values. We have only looked at 8. इस instrument ने आपके सामने 8 values रखी हैं. But believe me, there are hundreds of values. We will talk about them. We'll give you a list. You will look upon them. You will make your way. You will make yourself stronger. And you will know that once you are strong internally, when you go to the office, you will deliver good results. Your decisions will be effective. your peers will be happy, your company will be happy, and your customers who will receive the product and services of your company will also be happy. Thank you, and thank you very much, and I'll see you next session. Assalamu alaikum.